Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you had a decent start of the week. So, in other words, hope you were not too exposed to the markets, because obviously, I mean, if you take a look at the market right now, we did not have an amazing day yesterday. But in this video, we'll zoom into Solana again. We'll do a full update on the current situation, what to expect. And just in general, the fundamental situation for Solana, for the markets, hopefully everything you need to know. All right, now a brief recap on my video yesterday. Yesterday, we already said that we were most likely not going to break out, and that it was most likely going to be a rejection right here for Solana from the main resistance level here at 165 and 180. However, what I said is that I thought it was most likely we would drop down to this level right here at 150 and 145, which in general, if we zoom out here, is the POC. That's where most of the volume has been traded. And we dropped down lower than that. All right, there just in general, there was a pretty big sell-off for multiple reasons, which we don't have to get into. But in the stock market, that caused Bitcoin to fall down a lot. And then obviously all of the altcoins right now, you can still very, very clearly see that right here. All of the altcoins are correlated to Bitcoin, so they fell together with that. Now, Solana, like I said, actually fell down below that POC. That does matter, all right? That's a very strong level. I mean, you can see this entire chart, all of the movement you can see on the chart. The one place where most of the volume has been traded is that level right here at 145 and 150, and we actually broke down below that, all right? We did not only drop down to that, we dropped down below that. So that means that Solana at this point of time, even with the strategic reserve news we had on Sunday, just technically is not strong. And fundamentally, except for two things, all right, and that's that strategic reserve, that's still fundamentally bullish, and the potential ETF in 2025, but that might still take some time. Except for that, except for those two things, which do matter, all right, and those things are great. Fundamentally, Solana is still not doing great. All right, the TVL is dropping down here, still in a downtrend. DEX trading volumes have also dropped down significantly. So therefore, if you combine that with the technicals we have, I would have to be slightly bearish on Solana. Now, if we get some new bullish news regarding the crypto reserve or regarding the Solana ETF, but I do not expect that soon. I think that's later on down the line in 2025. Except for if that happens, I would say that we will remain stable on top of the main support level we have right here at 135 and 120. And you can also see if you zoom out all the way, that's a strong support level, right? And you especially also have some liquidity to spike down to in 110. I expect us to remain stable, but I do think it's more likely on the short term that we will actually spike down to the previous spike we made Friday, and just in general that we will dip down into this support, which at this point of time I don't see any reason to not hold that. So I think we will be able to hold that, and then later on down the line maybe also get some bullish momentum back up to 160, 165. But whether you should buy at this level, it's a difficult question. I would say no. I think there's other cryptos, other altcoins that are correlated to Bitcoin, just like Solana, that are more interesting to buy. So something like Litecoin, for example, which I'll cover after this, is also near a very major support level, near range lows. I think Solana at this point of time, due to all the scrutiny that it has gone under in the last couple of weeks and the fundamental situation, I would say Solana is not the greatest coin to buy. I do think we will hold that support because I don't think Bitcoin will drop down all the way to 77 or 70,000. But do I expect a lot of strength from it? No, not unless we get some headline news. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.